My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Bcom second semester subject Programming with C and C++ as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 4 first important short question is: what is a pointer? In C programming, a pointer is a special variable that stores the address of another variable. Imagine your house has an address. If someone knows your address, they can find you. Similarly, a pointer knows where a variable is stored in memory. Example: hash include stdio.h. int main. int num is equal to 10. int asterisk ptr, pointer variable. ptr is equal to and num, storing address of num. printf, value of num is equal to %d\n num. printf, address of num is equal to %p\n ptr. printf, value using pointer is equal to %d\n asterisk ptr. Return 0. Output: value of num is equal to 10. Address of num is equal to 0x61ff08. Example: value using pointer is equal to 10. Why useful? Pointers are useful for dynamic memory, arrays, functions, and data structures. Just remember, means value at address and means address of variable. Think of pointers like Google Maps for memory. Next important short question is: to list out features of pointers. Pointers are powerful features in C programming. They help in directly accessing and managing memory. Key features of pointers. 1. Stores address. A pointer stores the memory address of another variable. int asterisk ptr is equal to and a. 2. Faster access. Accessing data using pointers is faster, especially in arrays and functions. 3. Dynamic memory. Pointers are used in malloc, calloc, for dynamic memory allocation. 4. Function arguments. We can pass values to functions using pointers, called call by reference, which allows functions to change the original value. 5. Working with arrays. Arrays and pointers are closely connected. I is same as asterisk plus I. 6. Data structures. Used in building linked lists, stacks, queues, and trees. Example: int a is equal to 5. int asterisk p is equal to and a. In short, pointers is equal to power plus performance. They are like memory managers in C. Next important short question is: 3. What is structure? In C programming, a structure is a user-defined data type that lets you combine different types of data into a single unit. Example: imagine you want to store a student's information, name, string, age, int, and marks, float. Using structure, you can store all these in one place. Syntax: struct student, char name 20, int age, float marks. Now you can create a student like this. Struct student S1 is equal to Rahul, 18, 92.5. Why use structures? 1. To group related data. 2. Makes code clean and easy to manage. 3. Used in real-life programs like student records, employee details, etc. Remember, struct keyword is used. You can access values using operator s1.h. Think of a structure like a box that stores different types of items together. Next important short question is: 4. Write about features of structures. In C, structures allow us to group different types of data into one unit. They are useful when we want to represent something like a student, employee, or product with multiple details. Features of structures. 1. Multiple data types. Structures can hold int, float, char, array, etc. together. Example: name, char, age, int, marks, float. 2. User-defined. You create your own custom data type using struct. 3. Organized data. Groups related data together, making code clean and easy to manage. 4. Access using dot operator. You can access members using object.member. s1.age, s1.name. 5. Used in real applications. Helpful in programs like student records, employee systems, banking, etc. Example: struct student. Char name 20. int age. Float marks. Think of structure as a bag carrying different types of items in one place. Next important short question is: 5. What is a union? In C, a union is a user-defined data type like a structure, but it stores only one value at a time from its members. Main idea: in structure, all members have separate memory. In union, all members share the same memory, so only one member holds a value at a time. Syntax: union data. int I. Float f. Char ch. Example: union data d. d.I is equal to 10. d.f is equal to 5.5. Now I value is lost. Note: only the last assigned value is valid. Memory efficient, union uses memory equal to the size of its largest member. Use case: useful when you need to store different types but only one at a time, like handling sensor data, int, float, char. Think of union as a single locker. You can keep one item at a time, book, bottle, or mobile, but not all together. Next important short question is: 6. Discuss the advantages of unions. In C, a union is a special data type where all members share the same memory location. It may store different data types but only one value at a time. Advantages of unions. 1. Memory saving. Union uses memory equal to its largest member only, so it saves space. Example: if a union has int, float, and char, and float is largest, 4 bytes, only 4 bytes are used. 2. Efficient for embedded systems. Useful in low-memory devices where memory usage must be minimal. 3. Useful for storing one value at a time. When only one piece of data is needed at a time, example, temperature as int or float, union is perfect. 4. Type flexibility. You can store different data types using the same memory location. Example: union data. int I. Float f. Think of union as one bag where you can carry only one item at a time, saving space. Next. Unit 4. Long questions. First important long question is: 1. Explain the process of declaring and initializing pointers. Give an example. What is a pointer? In C language, a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. It does not store the actual value but stores where the value is located in memory. Why use pointers? To access and modify values using addresses. To pass values by reference to functions. To manage memory, dynamic memory allocation. To work with arrays and strings more efficiently. Step by step, declaring and initializing a pointer. 1. Declaration. We use asterisk while declaring a pointer to tell the compiler that this variable is a pointer. int asterisk ptr declares a pointer to int. Here, ptr is a pointer variable that can store the address of an integer. 2. Initialization. You assign the address of a variable to the pointer using the AND address of operator. int num is equal to 10. ptr is equal to AND num. Now, ptr holds the address of num. Example program. Hash include stdio.h. int main. int num is equal to 20. int asterisk ptr, step 1, declare pointer. ptr is equal to AND num, step 2, initialize with address of num. Print, value of num is equal to %d\n num. Print, address of num is equal to %p\n ptr. Print, value using pointer is equal to %d\n asterisk ptr dereferencing. Return 0. Important terms. And num address of variable num. ptr value stored at the address dereferencing. Easy trick to remember. Think of pointer like a home address. The address tells where the person, data, lives. The asterisk helps you open the door and see what's inside, actual value. So, a pointer connects you to the data by just knowing the address. Pointers is equal to powerful plus flexible plus memory friendly. Next important long question is 2. Declaring and initialization of structures. What is a structure? In C language, a structure is a user-defined data type that allows us to combine different types of data like int, char, float, etc. into one single unit. Structures are very useful when you want to store related information about one item or person. How to declare a structure? We use the struct keyword to declare a structure. Struct student. Char name 20. int age. Float marks. Here, we created a structure called student which has 3 members. Name string. Age integer and marks float. How to initialize a structure? After declaring the structure, you can create structure variables and assign values. Struct student S1 is equal to Rahul, 18, 85.5. Now, S1 holds the information of one student. Accessing structure members. We use the dot operator to access individual members of the structure. Print name %s\n s1.name. Print age %d\n s1.age. Print marks %.2f\n s1.marks. Full example program. Hash include stdio.h. Struct student. Char name 20. int age. Float marks. int main. Struct student S1 is equal to Rahul, 18, 85.5. Print student details \n. Print name %s\n s1.name. Print age %d\n s1.age. Print marks %.2f\n s1.marks. Return 0. Easy trick to remember. Think of a structure like a school record. It holds different types of information, name, age, marks, for each student in one place. Structures is equal to organized plus clean plus useful for managing related data together. Next important long question is 3. Explain the array of structures. What is an array of structures? In C, when we want to store many records, like details of 5 students, we can use an array of structures. It means we create multiple structure variables and store them in an array, just like we store many values in a normal array. Why use it? Instead of writing struct student S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, we can use struct student S5. Now S0, S1, S4 store details of 5 students. How to declare structure and create array? Struct student. Char name 20. Int age. Float marks. Struct student S3 array of 3 students. Initializing the array. Struct student S3 is equal to Rahul 18 85.0, Asha 19 90.5, Vikram 18 88.0. Accessing values. Use index and dot operator. Print %s%d%.1f s0 dot name s0 dot age s0 dot marks. Full example program. Hash include stdio.h. Struct student. Char name 20. Int age. Float marks. Int main. Struct student S3 is equal to Rahul 18 85.0, Asha 19 90.5, Vikram 18 88.0. For int I is equal to 0, I3, I++. Print student %d, %s, age, %d, marks, %.1f\n, I+1, s, I, dot name, s, I, dot age, s, I, dot marks. Return 0. Easy trick to remember. Imagine an array of report cards. Each card has name, age, and marks. You keep all cards in one file, array of structures. Array of structures is equal to organized plus reusable plus easy to handle many records. Next important long question is 4. Write about enumerated data types with an example program. What is an enumerated data type? In C, enumerated data type is declared using the keyword enum. It is used to assign names to integer values, making the code more readable and easy to understand. It is like creating your own list of values for a variable. Syntax. Enum _name, value 1, value 2, value 3. By default, value 1 is equal to 0, value 2 is equal to 1, and so on. You can also manually assign values. Example. Enum days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Here, Sunday is equal to 0, Monday is equal to 1, Saturday is equal to 6. Example program. Hash include stdio.h. Enum days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Int main. Enum days today. Today is equal to Wednesday. Print the value of today is %d\n today. If today is equal to Wednesday, print today is Wednesday\n. Return 0. Output. The value of today is 3. Today is Wednesday. Advantages of enum. 1. Improves readability. You use names instead of numbers. 2. Prevents errors. Avoids using wrong numbers in code. 3. Makes programs easy to update. Just change values in one place. Easy trick to remember. Think of enum as a label maker. You give names to numbers so you don't need to remember what 0, 1, 2 means. For example, instead of writing if day is equal to 2, not clear, You write. If day is equal to Tuesday, easy to understand. Enumerated types is equal to named values is equal to cleaner code. Next important long question is 5. Bring out the differences between structure and unions. In C language, structure and union are both used to group different types of data into a single unit. But they have some important differences in memory usage and data access. Let's understand them clearly. Difference between structure and union. Feature, structure, union. Keyword, struct, union. Memory is allocated separately for each member. All members share same memory. Size is equal to sum of all members' sizes. Size is equal to size of largest member. Access, can access all members at once, can access only one member at a time. Usage, useful when storing multiple values, useful when storing only one value at a time. Efficiency, uses more memory efficient. Example. Hash include stdio.h. Struct sample struct. Int A. Float B. Union sample union. Int A. Float B. Int main. Struct sample struct S is equal to 10, 5.5. Union sample union U. U dot A is equal to 10. U dot B is equal to 5.5. Print structure. A is equal to %D, B is equal to %.1f\n, S dot A, S dot B. Print union, B is equal to %.1f, A is now overwritten \n, U dot B. Return 0. Explanation. In structure, both A and B store their own values. In union, A is overwritten when B is assigned because both share the same memory. Easy trick to remember. Structure is equal to multiple boxes, each member has its own space. Union is equal to one shared box, all members take turns using the same space. Conclusion. Use structures when you need to store and use multiple values together. Use unions when you need to save memory and use only one value at a time. Both are powerful tools, just use them in the right way.